Welcome to the Beach Show, your internet. Welcome to the Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
So today we're talking about a wonderful, fully furnished condo at Largo Mar, right here on Panama City Beach, down from Schooners on the east end. It's absolutely perfect. It's 2 beds, 2 baths, and it is ready for new owners to enjoy this beach lifestyle. So in this unit, it's 3 stories. Your beds are up top. You've got the ground floor access straight out to the pool, your shuffleboard, your hot tub, easy access from front to back. It's open living with your kitchen, open to your dining, open to your living, and then go outside. Enjoy the sunshine. So if you'd like more information on this awesome condo right here on the sand, look in the description below. We've got the link to the listing. You can check out all the extra photos and just sit and look at the beauty of how this one's decorated. And don't forget, follow us on the Beach Show, click subscribe and that bell so you know when the next video is out.